What up, YouTube? It's your boy back again with another one of them hot reviews. Another pickup. This time I got them Jordan 4s, them Levi Denims, retail $225. I got these from my own personal seller. Shouts out to Naomi. If you would like their information, I could provide it for you. It's very good quality shoes. I buy lots of stuff from her. This is what it came in, DHL. Took 4 days from China to USA. 4 days approximately. Let's get into the shoes. Let's get into these. Yeah, if I get the damn top off, would help. All right, y'all. Here we go. Comes with the card, Levi's, Jumpman, and Levi's, etc., etc. Let's get into the shoe game here. Bam, bam. Also see that sticker. That's supposed to be the authentication sticker. These are authentic quality. Supposed to be retail quality, as you can see. Looks pretty good. Jumpman. Can you see the Jumpman? It's the first time I've ever actually viewed this shoe. I really don't know too much about it. I bought these for somebody. They're actually already sold. Bought them for my mans. You see, got that 9.5 Air Jordan side view. Levi's toe box. Air bubbles side view. Jumpman. Whole 360 of the shoe. Bam. Next shoe. Toe box. Check it out. Not bad. These are not bad. I had to cop myself a pair of these. I'm waiting for them black ones to come out though. I might cop them though. Jumpman. You see the Jumpman? Side view. Nice stitching. Everything on point. Bottom of the shoes. Clean. Very, very clean. Check the tongue. I don't know if we check the tongue on this one, but there you go. Check the tongues. Levi's. And soles. I have to rip all this crap out of there. How they got that up in there? There we go. There it goes. See up in there, Jordan 9.5. All right. Like I said, I got these from my own personal seller. Pretty good up in there. Shouts out to Naomi again. She's got the best quality in China. Or she can get you the best quality. She has retail quality for reasonable price. If you would like her information, just message me on here. I can provide it for you. Then These are retail quality. And I'm out, YouTube. It's your boy, J.U. Ice, and I'm out.